Okay, my name is, sorry, just some problems. Okay, my name is Blob from Block and Pixel, and I'm here with my friend, and she's Pixel from Block and Pixel. Okay, we just gotta, okay, animal, log out. By the way, today's just like a free roam. We're gonna see trading and stuff, and all that cool stuff. And today I'm not gonna be on my non-member account, I'm gonna be on my member account. Oh my god, sorry guys. I'm kind of not feeling good. Okay, we're doing this. So fun. As you probably will know, it's my first YouTube video. Oh my gosh. Okay, you can see I have my member stuff on. Oh my god, it's so loud. Damn. What? Okay, that's better. Oh, I think the party's over. The trading one. Wait. Well, I want to get a wolf so I can go to the wolf's only party. So I'm gonna spend some of my money on the wolf. I'm saving up for an article, but that's just diamonds. No, I'm probably gonna do an eagle actually. Come on. Next. Internal snow. Wolf. Wolf. Come on. Okay, we're near wolf. Okay. Sorry if this is kind of boring. As you'll probably know though. Wolf. Okay. Explorer. Expert. I hope it is sneaky. Scary. Oh, I bought it. Yay! Oh my god! I do not like the eyes. Oh my god. Yeah, what?
I'm the girl, by the way. I'm just talking.
No, I don't want to do that. No one's gonna like me. This one.
When are you
No, I'm about to go, Makeda.
Okay.
Okay, how many more minutes? This is in Haunted Forest Party. I've never gone there. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Oh my god.
So scary to me.
I want to see what they got.
I don't like the music.
You never like the music,
I
though.
know, it's so scary. All I have is green.
I wonder if it says, like, whenever it says unlock, like, if it's actually still locked. What's that? Book of Spells. I hope you can actually read it. Dracula tape. I don't like the color. Oh, Harry Potter. Where is it? I want to see it. Oh, Harry Potter. Oh my god, is that person invisible? That's some like cloning machine. Ooh, I think that blue one's rare. I knew it. Rare elf helmet. Please be my friend. Just kidding. Oh my gosh, so excited. Spooky old bones. I don't know what that is. Shouldn't it just have bones? Dr. Hom's workshop. I can go back to Jama Township. Okay, just a minute. Wait, just a minute. Gotta check my buddy. Quan. I watch Trains 12. Well, which is playing. Okay, Trains 12 had to be. You can't see it anymore, but I had like those gold boots still, and not the tail. But he stole it and stole all of my stuff, except for my chain necklace. So, yeah, it never gives me the password. And get a strong password, not a weak one. Wait, how do you do this? There used to be a trading party. Oh, 21 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna go to my den.
He's a member.
Yeah, I'm kidding. They can all tell that. Oh, I like my horse. It's kind of cool.
It's cool whenever you're a member because I'm not a member, but it's cool whenever you're a member because it's cool.
Yeah, you're just gonna have to use my non-member account. I wish you could be like an alpha. Whenever you like got to like go to meet the alphas, but you had to like pay like all like 60 or 100 diamonds.
Yeah, that would be really fun.
You know, I'm kind of sad because I spent all my diamonds.
Good.
Yeah, remember? I spent them mostly on all the school stuff. But I kind of don't like it because it just like flies over your head. I can't believe no one's in here. I really, really want the polar bear to come. Save forever. I think like the update's not that good on mine. Lynx, I want a lynx. A lion, a cheetah. Is that? I knew it was a snow leopard. They don't have any eyes. It's weird. Oh, there's the. I can't. I think snow leopards go with the wind armor. Okay, so I go to that place. You go. Still don't know what Mira is. Oh, wait, if you check out Star Wars, Mira is like weird. Hear the music.
Oh,
Where's
here's
my-
the music.
Where's my music? Oh, yeah, that one is the one I have in my mystical morning. Bass camp. What's that? Oh, that's the one weird one. For my Greeley's hideout den, that should be like it. Oh, listen. Here's my jingle.
Christmas. What have you played in Christmas?
Lucky Clovers.
Yeah, I'm not so into it.
I've heard it.
Oh.
You will need the ocean den.
Ocean den to see and place this item.
Oh, I know this song.
I don't.
Ocean Base Camp. Twists and turns.
I'm so used to
Okay,
this
these
one.
are the dens. I love them. Okay, that was my old one, Greeley's hideout. The only thing, okay, before any of you buy this, FYI, you're gonna get royally red, and there's like no way you can get it off unless you just like stay out for a long time. By the way, this one's not that cool. The one that takes up the most space, that one, but actually that one. It is so big and so fun. I really like the beach house.
Oh, I like that one.
That's the one I have right
That's
now.
one, yeah.
I wish the Soul Arcade came with all the games.
I've never seen that one before.
You know, it's in like the.
None of my buddies have that one.
I'm gonna check it out.
Or that one.
Review. No one really likes the Soul Arcade, I think. I've never seen that.
Mm.
Probably because all the
Cool.
like games are behind it. Wait, hopefully there is no blanket over. Yes, there is no blanket over here. That. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. I've never seen my number.
Okay.
Oh my god, for a minute I thought that was like a big bantam,
Oh my god.
but no, it's all feet.
Doing the-
They must be a member. Stegosaurus. Yeah, they're probably a member. How much animals do they have? No, they're a member.
Oh, yeah.
I don't think so.
Oh, so cute.
Oh, they're so cool.
That one's so cute.
I'm gonna go underwater. Oh no, let's go to the place you really, really like.
Mine? Oh, I love this place. Let's do it.
Ding.
This is the game. I love this game. So fun.
I've never picked orange, so I'm just gonna do orange. Okay.
I have. It's so good. Want orange one?
An orange. Was that an orange? I see an orange.
No.
But you lose them? Oh yeah, you do.
Yeah. Here. There.
And I was doing blueberry. Man, I never knew that was an orange.
One.
I almost called what do we call it? I'm a smoothie. I gotta dance. I never dance. It's kind of cool. Fits
Yeah.
it. Oh, the claw. I want a claw. Very rare. And I might give away my non-member account. It's not that good. Oh, man, I wish I got a pet for all my senators. Oh, I'll show you something really cool.
Oh.
This
Don't
part.
go in there. Oh, you changed. Wait. Forget.
You can like go through there. It's really cool. You just go down
It
here.
just changed automatically.
You know what? You know,
It's so
you know that like that din that's like the second ship.
Yeah.
I think this like might be it, but like broken. Oh, maybe if it has that.
How's that symbol?
No, it's what do you call it?
I bet that's a really special animal.
The anglerfish. I think that's a girl. It's the eyelash and the eyelids. Ow. We're on the bottom.
Oh yeah,
Oh.
you can see his redness.
I wish this was way bigger. It's so small.
Oh yeah. It is. Wow, that's really small. Come to think of it.
Okay.
Oh my god, it's so small.
Oh, sail. I do not know what these people are. Like Drake statue, Trevi statue. I don't even know how to say it. If any of you know who they are or what they are, I think that's. I know what these are, but like, what's that? Like, just please tell me. Like Victor statue. What is that? What are they? Are they
Wait,
like?
go to this one.
Oh, you don't need a member. You don't need to be a member.
Oh, I know that.
I wonder if they're like, cause you know, like all the alpha, like really cool people like Gilbert, Sir Gilbert. Well, by the way, Greely's not dead. Like they're all ocean, like sea animals. Like, not sea animals, but all the ones.
Oh.
I bet those are like
How do you do that coconut thing where you make coconut?
coconuts.
Yeah.
What coconuts?
No, those coconut, that coconut game that you're playing.
Oh, where you like see the cherry on the bottom?
Yeah.
I'm sorry to say, but that one. Oh, you can get all these.
Yeah.
Oh my god, he's on. Oh,
Oh my god. That's so cute.
I just want one with like the
All
green
these
one.
look so creepy. They're creepy.
That one's all like, oh, I like that one. Oh, no, I should get an elephant. Yeah, that one. I need to make it look more human. Oh my. Oh, that one's one. Is this one the one? Square deer. Super elephant. Oh my gosh, how much is it?
Oh, it's like so much. I buy when we go to the
But you're not a member.
I know, but I
are
buy
you?
it a pet.
Oh yeah, it's 3.
It's like so much money for me.
Oh man. Are there any boys? These are all girls.
They look so
I
good.
think you can get a main.
Oh my god,
Aw.
they're moving.
Oh, I don't want. Oh, there's a main. I like that one. He's all like
He's so
Simba.
cute.
He's Simba.
He's so cute.
Oh, and you guys that are so bad. I got a badge. Oh, I want to show you something really cool. Okay, if you go to Jammerwall,
Oh, and
you can
if
you
you
can
remember,
text.
if you remember,
Yeah,
can
if you
text.
remember, I tried it on block and she was all like, wait, how can you do this? You lied to me.
No, it was
It was an accident.
yeah, it was an accident.
Oh, this.
We were playing
Yeah.
this morning earlier. We're brother and sister.
Oh, that's the pet's haunted house. I thought it was a haunted house. You know, it'd be weird if you like lived in the haunted house and had that pet house. Wait, how much do we have? Oh, I can't buy it. No. 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 Oh, I don't even know who that guy is. Oh yeah, if you. Okay, if you are looking for this, they still have a skeleton suit. Well, I need to go ask for robot.
Wait,
Armor. I need to go like. Okay, wait, just a minute. Just a minute. Okay, so, what? Okay. No, cyber suit. No, side.
What are you?
Cyber
Cyber suit.
suit.
There you go.
Thank you. That would be weird if it actually said like, thank you.
Yeah, if you type for it.
Okay, come on. Oh my god. Okay, just gotta get 9 minutes. Oh, I want to be my wolf. This is exactly what my old player used to look like, except without the tail. Oh my gosh. Come on.
Wow.
I want to see what I have in my AJ journal. Animal Jam journal.
Tiglin.
Wait, you can give lasers to their eyes?
I don't know. You could do all these
You can get...
cool things.
What? Oh, the ones that don't have diamonds or gems. I'm trying to give a laser to its eyes. I think because you can like customize them more. Yeah. No, I think it's over here. Oh, that's the weirdest.
Which one? Oh yeah, those are weird.
That's just cute. Oh, it's like all puffing. Buddy. Handsome. Let's get some handsome up in here. Oh, it's kind of handsome.
It's cute.
It's really black and white to be like really handsome. No, I want to stripe. There. No, I'm actually doing that. He's not even a cheetah. Ocean giraffe. Really? Ocean giraffe?
That's the slide.
Oh, is that Gemma Township? I think that's Gemma Township.
Oh, that place was open. Is it? I thought it was.
That's not Gemma Township.
Where are you?
Oh, this place.
Where are you?
I forgot what it's called.
Ooh.
Selfie time.
Oh my god.
Pretty.
Wait, what?
So cute. No. I love animals. No. Let's be best friends. Wait, if I'm sending this to myself, don't I? Am I already a best friend? Jam on. Wait, can you actually write down text? Text. Change your post. I shake your booty. Shake your booty. Wait. Selfie. Oh no. I'm not spending my money on this stuff. Oh my gosh. Okay, if any of you buy that popcorn machine, if you're a member, please tell me if it actually works. Cause I know that works.
Yeah, he has one of those.
They know. Theater chair. Movie director's chair.
Oh, did you say?
Movie.
Oh.
Oh, I wish they actually had those movies. The flag place. This is where you got it.
Oh yeah,
right?
I remember.
I wonder if you have to be a member to get some of these. Oh yeah. Finally, I can get the Phantom flag, but wait, how much do
You should get the peace
How much do
flag.
I have in my bank? Okay, I can get it. Okay, so 300 plus 300 equals 6. Okay, how about pirate flag? That's kind of weird.
Oh, that's
Argentina.
Argentina.
Brazil. Football.
I
It's all like Brazil.
can speak Espanol.
I can speak Espanol.
De por qué?
Well, you know, it'd be weird if that was like, instead of Switzerland, it was like doctor's office. Like, hey, we can put this on our den, pretend our den is a doctor's office.
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, there it is. These are the weird flags. Like, that's United Kingdom put with like a crest.
Yeah.
I've never seen any of these. I've been like parts of United Kingdom.
Okay, y'all.
Wait. Well, she's not looking. Nothing to see here. I just bought a Bantam flag. Bantams. Go Bantams.
Done.
Wolves only party. Oh, it's next up. Oh, best
Did not miss it.
best guess game sucks. It's 1 hour. Gosh. Okay, 5 minutes. That's enough for this. After 5 minutes, I hope we can do the video. Oh yes. Wait, is that a van? Oh, don't go into those. Sorry, Pixel just annoying me with annoying comments. Thank you very much. Just kidding.
That's not true.
Come on, get in there. Get in there. No! Stay away from my candy. Hit it to the light. Didn't they just... Yay! No, never mind. I don't play that game. Phantom Vortex. What's that sound? I thought someone farted. Oh, I figured out a way to get past the Phantom.
You're so silly.
Oh man, we're not past the Phantom Vortex game, whatever you call it. Come on, no. Yay! That's what you sound like. Come on, let's be friends.
No.
And you know what? I realize you're not a member anymore, so never mind. Oh, I have 1 experience? Okay, let's be friends. Let's talk friends. Oh, I forgot. Don't dance like them. That's kind of weird. So like, I'm Michael Jackson. Play. Oh, that's not how you play. This is how you play right. This is how people play cool. Okay. Watch. This is the best playing ever. Look, you can't even. There should be blue there because you can't dig up water and it will look black. Okay, stop. Oh, never mind.
Wait, let's.
Finally, we're close to Jamma Township. Oh, is that a centipede crawling on that pet
Actually.
wash? Okay, let's see what I got in my Animal Jam journal so far. Oh, there's a centipede. I gotta get. Oh, new
Wants
jammer.
to be
Oh,
your buddy?
he's
already my buddy.
no, he's not. That's not him. Because he was already my buddy.
He is my buddy.
New jammer. I want to be your friend. You're a new jammer. I'll be friends. Aw, yeah, shucks. Oh my God, you already are my buddy. Oh, I thought it said let's be my buddy again. I dropped in no more.
There's nothing to see, cuz.
Yes, there is. White pictures. Isn't it fascinating?
Oh,
There's a
fish.
frogfish. Doesn't look like a frog. I want to get one finish. Ah! Oh, I thought it was gonna like pull me down. Oh my God! Come on! I hope we're close to Jammer Township. Are we close? Oh my God! Okay, but now we're so close. I think we just like go this way. Yes. Yay! I see that sign. Okay, let's get some friends. Yeah, I think the pillow room's actually meant for trading, not meant for just sitting on pillows.
Do not
Get out of my way! Oh my God! Why are the only what are they call it? Oh, she has a bunch of. I want the rare spiked.
She's my buddy.
She's not your friend.
She's my buddy.
She just changed, and she looks
Wait.
kinda. I can't believe that's cardboard.
What? That?
I can't believe I forgot where I got that. Oh, she keeps on changing. Let's be buddies.
Why is she?
Come on, you're my buddy.
Buddy.
Oh my God, that guy has a piece of bread on his face.
Oh!
Sai. Oh my God, this is at Walmart. Did you see that? It's that person's all like, yes, at Walmart.
Oh, they're hanging out the bread. Where's the Walmart?
Like, I'm at Walmart playing on my phone. You can't play on your phone. Yes, I can. You can. The diamond shop. I'm gonna be showing you what. What? Your trading list? Oh, okay, thank you. Oh my gosh. Please don't be watching this, Trains 12. That is not yours. I'm gonna get it.
Wow.
Let's be buddies. I'm on YouTube. Come be my buddy, please. Be on my buddy. Even though I'm on.
She's already my buddy.
She's not your buddy. You think everyone's your buddy?
No, she is. I've been to her house before.
Okay, let me go check it out. Okay. This you've never gone to her. What?
Yes,
This
I've
is a
gone to her
house?
house.
I wonder what house she has. Sick TV. Wait,
I've
why?
gone to this house before.
She put her TV. Like, how is she gonna turn that on without them burning in the fire? Well, I hope you can like walk in the fireplace. Oh, no, you can't. Poker.
Can't play it.
Oh yes, I can. You lose. Come on, I want to win. I want to win. Yay! Come on again. Come on again. Yeah. You really got is this or then?
Go to her house again.
Add her buddy.
Buddy because
Be my buddy, please. Please.
I'm already her buddy.
No, you're not. Oh my God! Someone's at my den. Oh my gosh. Oh, I think it's that weird person. Well, she's not weird. She's actually pretty cool. Okay, is anyone in my room?
No.
Okay, I gotta. It's that boy.
He's your buddy,
Are you a
right?
hacker? I don't think we got this shit. Well, I'm sorry, but you can't be my friend.
Nobody
You're
do
cool.
not.
You're so cool. You're so cool. Oh, let's be friends. I need to get my cool self on. Okay, just a minute. Selfie. Go now. Yes. Finally.
Where are you?
My wolf.
Where are you?
Oh my God, they're all like nice by
Why are they all so red?
They're by the fire. I wonder if this is Greely's hideout. No, it's not. That has a Greely statue. Oh my gosh.
Where are we?
Oh, this is cool. So got any sale stuff? Oh, cool. Oh my god, all this stuff for Greeley? Aw, just for me. Just for me. Oh, I'm sorry, Nikita. No! You know Greeley's head's on fire.
I'll be right back.
Okay, sorry, but this has to be the end of our video. Next time, Pixel is gonna play with us. He's like the best ever. The best ever.
Let's go ahead and stop the video.